I drove all the way to Limburg to visit a nursery specialized in growing hellebores and lavender. Hellebores are one of my favorite flowers, and I can't wait to see what varieties they have. First we have a look outside, and later in the video I will check the little greenhouse, where they keep all the double orientalis varieties. The flowers look absolutely amazing. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I am at a nursery in the south of the Netherlands where they are celebrating Hellebores this weekend, and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm very much looking forward to seeing what species they have, and I might bring some home with me. Hellebores are easy to grow. They look good from January to May. They thrive in rich soil but struggle with wet conditions. Most will tolerate full sun to almost full shade. Hellebores are prone to a fungal infection called leaf spot, so that is why I remove all the old leaves when the flower buds appear. They come in many colors and shapes, from white to black, striped or spotted, picotee or plain, double or single flowered. So there's a hellebore for everyone. Let's have a look into the greenhouse. I absolutely love the double varieties, especially the picotees, which means that the edge of the petals is of a different color than the flower's base color. What an exciting morning! There's so many hellebore loving gardeners at the nursery, all looking for that special plant for their garden. I have chosen a few hellebores as well as some lavender plants for my garden. I just couldn't resist bringing these gorgeous hellebores home with me. Aren't they just magnificent? So the pink ones are a variety called Hellebore orientalis double Ellen picotee, and it has these gorgeous double flowers and come in all shades of pink. And over here I have a variety called Hellebore orientalis Cinderella. It is a beautiful double white flower with pink spots in the middle.